little history lesson about all West European languages from a very smart person. Why all, even Spanish, doesn't sound like Latin American? Why West Norwegian doesn't sound like East Norwegian? Why Swedish also doesn't sound like West Norwegian? And Finnish is also very direct, where they say R, T, F, S. Why Spanish say th when they say s and sh? Never thought about this. Okay, give you an example. When Latin Americans speak tra-ta-ta-ta-ta, Spanish say "Sicilianos, Massinianos, Mukakos." Why is that? And Danish doesn't say like Swedish R and T. They say hobbe. They don't even say D. They say V. And when you say Didi, they say ho. And Western region from Bergen will say Bergen. And in East Norway or Sweden they say Bergen. In Russian also Bergen. And Russians say RT. You know why? Because we eat repa. Russians eat repa and went to sauna, like Finnish, like Turkish. That's why we say RT, F, S. And Spanish says not S, but th. He cannot say sh, he say th. You cannot say Thomas. Thomas. You say Thomas. The same goes for Spanish, French, British, West German, West Norwegian, and the answer is Black Death. Parents couldn't teach their little children how to say things like Thomas and how do you do. They say, how do you do? My name is not Robert, but Robert. Roba. Wow.